Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's session we will learn how to change the input placeholder color using CSS. So when we have a text box on our web page, text box is basically is given on a web page so that user can enter some text within the text box. So in that text box we can use a placeholder. Placeholder means some text which will be displayed by default in the text box, and once the user starts entering some text in the text box, it will get disappeared. I will firstly demonstrate how placeholder works. So I'm navigating to the HTML document. So I will create here a text box, input type equal to text box text, sorry. I've saved this document. I will run in the browser. So currently this is the text box. So there is no placeholder in this text box. So firstly we will add a placeholder. So how do we add the placeholder? By giving the property placeholder with the value anything, means just enter a number. So we have given a placeholder to this text box. I will navigate again to the browser. I will refresh the page. So this is the placeholder, which is the text which is displayed by default in the text box. Currently we haven't entered anything in text box. So if I start typing in this text box something, anything, so that text will disappear. So this is the placeholder. If I wanted to change the color of placeholder, currently it is some gray type color. If I want to change the color of this placeholder, then we have to use a CSS selector called as placeholder, and I will give here color as maybe red. I will save the HTML. I will run the same in the browser. The color has been changed now to red, and if I again start writing here, it will disappear. So only the placeholder color has been changed, not the text box color. Color has been changed just for the placeholder. So this is how we provide a style to the placeholder, by giving double colons and placeholder. So this is our selector, and this is the style which we give, color red. We can add here different styles also. For example, I can give different background color also. For example, I will give yellow. I will save the HTML. I will refresh the page. Background is yellow now, color remains red. We can apply different styles within this selector. Once I type something, both the style will disappear because they are applied to the placeholder. So we learned today how to change the input placeholder color, background color, and also the text color with the help of CSS. So that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching.